is everybody doing today? I hope this video finds you well, healthy, and in good spirits, guys. I hope my neighbors aren't too mad at me at this point. And yes, today is Wednesday, June 10th. It is a B-Day, and it is the last day of the school year. Hooray! Hooray! Sanctuary! Freedom! Yes, today is the last day of the year, ladies and gentlemen. You, after today, will no longer be 7th graders. You will be in your transition to 8th grade. Big men, big women in the junior high. You will be the tall people on campus. You will be the head cheese, the head honcho. You will be anything else you can think of. This will be your time. It will be your building. Yes. Now, please don't walk around and create a ruckus and scare the 7th graders that are coming in next year. That's all I ask. So, ladies and gentlemen, the plan for today. Today is going to be quick. Today is going to be easy. We're going to just kind of review a little bit. I made a teacher lesson video that just reviews some of the major battles and the main battles of the Civil War. And I try to connect the dots and show you how we got from Fort Sumter to Appomattox. So what I would like you to do, I'd like you to go ahead and watch that video. That's what we're going to be doing today. So today is the Civil War main battles. You're going to review the main battles and connect all the dots. My office hours today are from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So if you do have any questions, guys, please reach out to me and I will answer whatever questions you have. Today, as a reminder, before I keep going, today is the last day that I will accept any late work. So anything that you might owe me, anything that you want to get your grade from a 1 to a 2, or a 0 to a 2 or a 3. Excuse me, sorry about that, guys. Please go ahead and get that into me so that I can take and raise your grade and bump up your grade so that you will be happy with it and you can get to where you want to be. Please make sure you do that. If I do not receive your work by 11:59 tonight, you will be out of luck and your grade will stay as it is. If something comes up or if you have an emergency, please reach out to me and let me know and I will figure out how to work with you. If you send me an email at 11:58 and say, Mr. Corigliano, my computer suddenly stopped working, I am going to tell you are out of luck because of the fact that you emailed me a minute before the deadline. So make sure everything's working and make sure you get everything done in enough time so that you're not trying to do it at the last minute. Because if you try to do it at the last minute and something doesn't go right and you send me an email, I'm going to tell you you're out of luck. Okay? So please make sure you get everything done by 11:59 tonight. All right, so here is the teacher lesson video, by the way. I'm recording the teacher message video. So here is the teacher lesson video. Go ahead and watch that, please. And then make sure you do the check for learning. Okay, this is the easiest check for learning you will have, and you have had. You've had it before. Please complete the check for learning. I want to give you guys a 3 as long as you've done the check for learning and your Unit 15 key terms 1 through 17. Make sure you have those done also, please, guys. And make sure they are done well. If it appears to me that you have just written some words down, I'm not going to give you credit for them, just so you know. So make sure you look for the definitions in the textbook and you write down the definitions. All right? So as long as you have taken and done those, if you've done the check for learning, which the check for learning is the easiest check for learning you've had all year, and as long as you've accessed these slides, you will earn a 3. So please make sure you do that. Okay? Obviously, you do not have any homework because this is the last day. Your homework is to enjoy your summer. Go ahead, jump in a pool, have some fun. Jump in the Grass River, go fishing, do something. So I hope you guys enjoy your summer. But that, obviously, you have no homework. Just make sure you watch the teacher lesson video, please. One last thing before I wrap this before I wrap this video up, if you would like to watch a video that will give you a laugh and you find entertaining, please go ahead and do that. Click on the link that is in red. I promise you, you will get a good laugh out of it. Me, Miss Ashley, Miss Goodrich, Mrs. Goodrich, Mrs. Frome, and Mrs. Morgan ended up making a jib jab. So, if you would like a laugh, please go ahead and watch that. It should be entertaining, guys. So, make sure you do that, please. You will enjoy it. It will be entertaining. All right? So, one last time, ladies and gentlemen, and one last time for the year, actually. If you have any questions, please reach out to me during my office hours, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Guys, I want you to know that it was a privilege to be able to teach you guys. I learned a lot from you. I hope you learned a lot from this year. I hope you enjoyed this year. If you would like to reach out at any point over the summer, please feel free to. If you want to come back and visit once you hit 8th grade and say hi, please feel free to do that. I hope you enjoyed your 7th grade year as much as I enjoyed teaching you guys. It was a privilege, again, to be able to teach you. I hope you learned a lot. I learned a lot from you. All right? With that said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have a fantastic summer. I hope you enjoy your summer. I hope you get to do a lot of things that you were looking forward to being able to do. And I hope you guys are able to hang out with friends. And I hope you guys enjoy your summer. And good luck in 8th grade. With that said, that is the end of this lesson and the end of 7th grade. So I'm going to send you off with a little bit of a callback to a video I was part of if you have Mrs. Robidoux. Yeah, that.